Favorite story ko to of why I wanted to hire her as my assistant. Nung ini-interview siya ng HR namin, parang nilolobol kasi siya ng HR. But for me, I would never ask that question. She was like, sa totoo lang po, no po, maghanap na lang po ako ng ibang trabaho. And I was like, I like this girl. Nilalaban niya what is really right for her.
This is the truth
About working.
with my boss.
Hi, my name is Gabby and I am Pam Junior.
Hi, I'm Pam and I'm Gabby's boss. So I'm the CEO of a body care brand called Pina. Malaking pressure siya to run a company of 25 people.
9 months na rin ako nag-work sa kanya as her executive assistant. Our relationship with my boss personally talaga is super close. Kahit yung mga small details lang ng mga personal life and personal din niya na life, nasi-share namin sa isa't isa.
In some ways, may similarities kami ni Gabby na panganay, nagpo-provide for the family, nag-protect and provide for our siblings. Doon pa lang nag-click kami agad.
Sobrang OA niya, ganong level. Like, kunyari, may sasabihin ka, ma'am, kunti na lang yung inventory natin, ganyan. Oh my God! Gaganon talaga siya, na parang, talaga ba?
As a Pisces moon and a Leo rising, that's just who I really am.
Yun nga, OA.
Hi, my name is Renz and my boss is Potts.
Hi, I'm Potts and I am Brenda's boss. So my role is really to make the employees happy and to make our clients happy. Yo, sorry, sobrang vague ba?
So we work in a public relations agency. Siya yung kauna-unahang managing director. Ako rin yung kauna-unahang corp dev manager ng kumpanya.
My relation, I would say na okay yung relationship namin. He's very open.
We talk about a lot of personal things, drag race, boyfriends, a lot of things.
Sobrang sipag niyang tao. He has this go-getter energy.
Medyo difficult siya kasi parehas kami Libra. Ako, honestly, textbook people pleaser ako and he knows it.
Sana mabawasan yung self-doubt niya and yung pag-people please niya.
Hi, I'm Paulina and Ralph is my boss.
Hi, my name is Rafi and I am a senior team lead in finance and I am Pau's boss. So yung relationship namin, it's much more on parang buddy-buddy type of relationship.
Ano kasi siya yung tipo ng, as a person, competitive siya.
Competitive din si Pau eh. You just need to push her.
Sa company kasi namin, merong mga awards. Gusto niya laging nilalaban yung team namin, gano'n.
So pangatlong taon na namin na napanalunan yung Bravo Award.
O team, ano na, wala na ba tayong Bravo Award? Gano'n. Ano na yung Bravo natin? Hindi na ba natin yan makukuha this year?
Lagi siyang, yes sir, yun ang sagot niya. Alam mo yung kahit pag chinat mo siya sa Teams, parang may salute pa yun. No? So, ganun siya.
Working with Miss Pam, to be honest, nakaka-pressure siya in a sense na parang feeling mo kailangan mo siyang sabayan. Kumbaga kung ano yung gusto talaga niya, yun yung ibibigay mo.
It's coming from the perspective of I really want her to grow. And I feel like as my assistant, she is an extension of me. And even at calls, she represents me. Ang number one cause ng miscom is incomplete details or pag walang systems.
Minsan kasi napagalitan ako na parang, Miss Pam, ganun lang yung message ko na nagagalit siya.
I call her Miss Incomplete Information. The queen of incomplete information.
Sabi niya, I need the complete sentence. Gumaganon ba naman?
Tapos ang tagal, ganun pa siya. Miss Pam! Tapos ang daming exclamation point.
Siya naman, ano yun? Ano yung message mo? Pakibuo, ganyan.
Ay, wala lang po. May sasabihin ako about sa supplier. Parang, kala ko namatay ka na. Parang gano'n. So, siya talaga yung OA. Hindi ako. Visit siya.
Doon lang kayo medyo nagkakaroon ng chaotic instances.
The truth is, even you, there's too much pressure involved. Even we are working a night shift because we're serving North America and Latin America region. Kung hindi siya talaga madali, very exhausting siya.
Minsan nakaka-pressure, syempre hindi naman mawawala yung pressure. Kapag may hinihingi sa'yo yung boss mo, lalo na kung sa mga bagay na parang madalian.
Kasi currently I'm handling around 26 FTE or employees.
Kaya lagi niya sinasabi sa amin, ang dami na, pagod na ako. Kaya medyo may naiintindihan din talaga namin.
With Potts naman, actually, kasi he has a lot of things to do. I have a lot of things to do. Nung una, it was also hard for me to open up kasi I've had my own struggles going into the role. Hindi ko alam if I'm doing well or not.
Siguro, ganun din naman ako nung age niya. I want to be the best that I can be sa trabaho ko.
Kaya parang, there was like one day na talagang bumagsak na lang ako and, I cried in front of him. Pero it was a very important, vulnerable moment for me to have. Kasi hindi ko alam, syempre, minamanage ni Pots yung buong kumpanya, binamanage niya yung buong team basically. Entro pa ba ako na, Pots, kailangan ko ng feedback mo.
Mga empleyado kayo, gusto lang naman nilang mag-talk ng kahit na ano man yan, just to exhaust. Again, kailangan lang nila ng catharsis, just to let out steam.
Well, most of the chaos that we experience on a daily basis is usually related to our projects, I guess.
Meron kaming parang Google Sheet or Master Sheet, Master File na doon na lang nilalagay lahat.
Meron kaming parang huddle board. So, nandun yung lahat ng tasks namin. Pero, wala kaming ginagamit na anything para i-delegate niya yung tasks. Yes, manual kami lahat. Parang nasanay na rin sa alt-tab na lang. Ganon. Nasanay na lang kaming i-multitask lahat.
I mean, it's okay, but it could be better. Because we're using different systems, different platforms. It's hard.
Yun nga lang, parang may time lang na parang may napindot yung isa na na-delete niya yung yung ginawa nung isa. So parang, ano nangyari? So iba-backtrack namin. So nagkakaroon pa ng backtracking.
Kung babaguhin man siya, gusto ko sana magkaroon ng automation.
Pero kung merong isa na will do everything, that will really help me. Oh, this is nice.
Okay, so I love that everything is here. For example, nasa taas agad like calendar, appointments to do. So first for like apps are the first things that I really look for sa umaga.
And at the same time, as operations naman, yung inventory, na hindi mo na kailangan magtanong dun sa tao na, Sir, ano po bang update sa inventory natin? Parang ang saya niya.
And I'm not sure about this discuss, but I feel like this is something, instead of us using let's say a Viber, if everything is here, then that's really good.
Well, honestly, project, of course, keeping things in track. I think that this is the app wherein you can list down all of the items that you have to do in this particular week. So at least, meron kayong Bible, kumbaga.
Sa GC kasi namin medyo maingay. Kapag may task siya, minsan natatabunan na lang. So, sa mga kwentuhan.
Right now, actually, yung ginagamit namin is yung first sign, yung signature. Sobrang dali niya gamitin. And right after mag-sign, magsisend si Udo ng email na resibo, I would say, na natapos na yung document and na-sign na siya.
So, dito sa accounting nila, I could see dashboards na agad, no? Sales, purchases, bank.
Oh, pwede yung banks dito. So, mas madali naming makikita yung mga balance.
No, I could link all our bank accounts here. But if I'll have this daily, this will make our life easier.
Definitely, I feel like this is something we can use. It's like a one-stop shop for the whole team to look at.
What people are most afraid of when it comes to project management tool is the micromanaging. People assume na, tinitingnan niya kung natatapos ko ba yung work ko. So baka people might feel pressured.
Not only the leaders, no, even people na maraming to do. Just to make sure kung tapos na siya and I to monitor, I don't need to ask one by one kasi dito I could see. So, mas efficient ko siyang mas may kita at magagawa.
At the end of the day, ako nakikita ko kasi yung purpose ng project management tool for more of a personal preference. I need to keep things track.
Parang hindi na rin nga ata kailangan ng Outlook eh.
Kasi pag nasa daming tab, dahil pang kailangan pindut-pindutin, hanapin mo. Unlike pag dito, kita mo lahat eh.
Oh, baka naman.
So I think this is good.
One of the ways to see if a business is successful is pag wala ka na eh. Parang kaya niya mag-automate ng sarili niya. And I feel like that's something I'm also training with Gabby na pag wala ako, kaya nila kasi ikaw nga yung extension ko.
Siguro, na-appreciate ko sa kanya is hindi siya nag-give up. at saka patuloy siyang naniniwala sa kakayahan niya.
I was a solo founder my whole life. And then for the first time, I had the privilege to have an assistant. And I never knew I needed one until she came. Wow! Nung ini-interview siya ng HR namin, parang nilolowball kasi siya ng HR. Let's say, at this amount, ito yung salary mo. Tapos sabi ng HR namin, pero okay lang ba if it's 10,000 pesos less? Parang ganon. Parang siguro tinetest lang how much she wants the job. But for me, I would never ask that question. But I love what she said. She was like, sa totoo lang po, no po, maghanap na lang po ako ng ibang trabaho. And I was like, I like this girl kasi nilalaban niya what is really right for her.
Masaya na ako eh. Yung okay na ako kay Miss Pam. Parang kung siya yung magiging boss ko for life, okay lang. Kasi nga sabi ko nga sa kanya, even na mawala ako sa brand niya, gusto pa rin kita maging kaibigan. Ganun ko siya kamahal.
And I think that's what I appreciate about our working relationship is that we trust each other and for always believing in me.
Actually, ako sobrang grateful ko sa kanya. Yung career growth ko last year, kung hindi dahil sa push niya, hindi siya mangyayari. Kaya sir, perfectionist ka pero okay naman.
Saludo pa rin ako sa kanya kasi lagi niya ako binibigyan ng salute emoji. So ngayon, bigay ko sa kanya yung salute emoji.